The sit-stand adjustable workstation promotes a healthier work environment by allowing users to easily incorporate standing into your workday. The sit-stand workstation has a convenient storage tray that adjusts to bring your keyboard, mouse, notebook, and other necessary items to an ergonomic standing level, making the transition between sitting and standing quick and easy. The storage tray is perfect for holding cell phones, tablets, and pens so that your daily work tools are never out of reach. Sit-stand workstations are freestanding and will adapt to any desk or work surface without having to replace your existing furniture. The sturdy freestanding base features soft pads that give you the freedom to position the adjustable platform anywhere on your desk without having to worry about damaging your desk's finish. Sit-stand adjustable workstations are designed and engineered for smooth up and down adjustment, which then locks securely into place without spilling a single drop of coffee. At the time of assembly, the monitor beam can be set along the column at an optimal height for comfortable viewing. You can also fine-tune your monitor positions by tilting and rotating them according to your personal preference. Cable management is a snap, using cable clips incorporated into the column just behind the monitors and the storage tray to keep cables organized and out of the way. The workstations are assembled in the USA, uses no VOCs or finishing, and is made from 99% recyclable materials. The sit-stand workstations are available in single, dual, and triple monitor configurations. For a more stationary option, clamps and through mounts are also available. The adjustable sit-stand workstation is the perfect option for those seeking a sit-stand solution designed to offer all the wellness benefits of increased activity without compromising space, stability, or seamless workflow. For more information about sit-stand adjustable workstations, call us at 1-800-803-1083 or email us at info@southwestsolutions.com.